Kathi, what are you going to show us at NAB?
Well, we always talk and write about lossless quality. This year at NAB, it's your chance to come and look and see what we mean by that. Because we will be showing a demo of our new JPEG XS technology. We'll show it side by side with uncompressed video. So this is your chance to figure out which side is which. And to be honest, so far I haven't been able to figure it out either. The demo will be adjustable in format, it will be adjustable in different bitrate, etc. So you really get a good idea of what the technology can do. So don't hesitate. Come over to the intoPIX booth in the central hall and find out for yourself how JPEG XS is soon going to substitute uncompressed in your systems.